how do you go about changing the pre-programmed speeds for 1, 2, 3, and 4 here on a Hayward variable speed super pump? Well, let's start by navigating with this menu button till we get to the speeds menu and then hit the right arrow button. And it's just explaining to us here what we need to do. It said press the plus button if you want to change something. So I'm going to go to speed 4. It's currently set to 3,450 RPM. That's too much, so I'm going to change it. I don't mind the name of speed 4, so I'll proceed through that. And now I'm going to turn down this RPM to, let's say, 3,000. Nice round number. There we go. And now I'm going to press right arrow again. Press the menu button to exit. We've made a change here. We have to lock in this change. This is important. You can't walk away. You have to press the plus button. The pump stops. It saves the change, and then it restarts with the regular programming. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.